Assalamu alaikum viewers. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Public Service Commission has announced a new advertisement number 8, and online apply for these jobs can be done till 7 August 2026. Fee for these online apply is 530 rupees, and you can do all the process from your phone. There are total 48 vacancy of agriculture officers. Remember, I will discuss all the requirement of these jobs, and specifically I will tell you from where you have to prepare your test and how to get highest score in your test. I will give you the exact guideline. For agriculture officers, there are BS or MSc degree in agriculture is required, and no other discipline is available or eligible for these jobs. Both male and female are equally eligible, and there are 41 open vacancies for which all are eligible, and 4 vacancies are specifically for female, while 2 are for minorities, and 1 vacancy is specified for disabled. There are 3 leftover posts of assistant director and assistant director planning, for which again second class bachelor degree in agriculture engineering from a recognized university is required, and at least second class bachelor degree honors degree in agriculture from any recognized university. It means that any person have any type of degree in the field of agriculture is eligible, and both male and female are eligible, and 35-year age is required for this one. And there is only 3 vacancies, and 1 vacancy is from zone 1. One is for females and 1 is for minority. In culture, tourism, archaeology and museum department, there is 1 leftover post of graphic designer, and this post is this vacancy is on merit. The allocation will be on merit. Applicant from all KPK are eligible who has qualification of a degree in graphic designing, fine arts, computers, or equivalent qualification. This is BPS 16, and male, female, both are eligible. 1 leftover post of male subject specialist history cum civics, but this post is only for minorities. Excise, taxation and narcotics control department, 9 post of audit and account assistant, BPS 14. Qualification, at least second class bachelor degree in commerce, BCom, BBA, etc. are equivalent qualification from a recognized university having good knowledge of computer technology. Remember, candidate having a degree in the field of commerce, they may have BCom, MCom, BBA, or they may have some CA or ACCA. They all are eligible for these posts. And the vacancy are distribution. There are 9 vacancies, and all distribution is given in the video. Forestry, environment and cultural change, wildlife department, 1 post of statistical investigator. For statistical investigator, at least a second division master degree in statistics or mathematics or economics. And this is BPS 16, and 32-year is age limit, and both male and female are eligible, and this vacancy is through merit. There are 3 leftover posts of subdivisional forest officer, for which a degree in the forestry is required, and only male are eligible. Age limit is 32, and all 3 male vacancies are only for minority quota. In higher education department, 2 leftover post of male associate professor, Pakistan studies, BPS 19 scale. For 19 scale, only experienced people are eligible, and this is 45-year age and only merit quota. Both vacancies are on merit quota. 4 post of assistant registrar in cooperative society, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. For this qualification, at least second class bachelor degree in commerce, economics, agriculture, or its equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Both male and female. 32-year is age limit, and vacancy is only for zone 1 and zone 2. While there is a female quota, 1 seat is only for female. 13 post of inspector BPS 16 in cooperative societies Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. For these jobs, at least second class bachelor's degree or its equivalent qualification from a recognized university is required, and 32 years is the age limit. BPS 16 skill jobs, and both male and female are eligible, and 10 posts are for open merit on quota basis, on zonal basis, it means general quota, while 2 posts are for female quota and 1 post is for minority quota. 1 left over post of database administrator, and this post is for general quota on merit basis. Master degree in computer science or equivalent qualification. It means in any field of computer science, all are eligible, with 1 year diploma in geographical information system. It is mandatory. 1 post of assistant director geologist in Directorate General Mines, at least second class master degree in geology or bachelor of science in geology, 4 year or equivalent qualification from recognized university, and this quota is also a merit allocation quota. Now I will discuss in detail how you have to prepare for these jobs. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Public Service Commission frequently advertise the multiple jobs, so you can watch their previous papers on YouTube. Their MCQs are available, and you can get idea that from where these job MCQs are generally coming. For agriculture officer, you have to study only all 45 MCQs will be from the same subject, so therefore you have to study all MCQs from the agriculture sides. No need of English, Pak study or Islamiyat or etc. And the same is for these assistant director planning. All these 45 MCQs will be from the field of agriculture. For graphic designer, the MCQs will come from graphic designing, fine arts, and computer science. These 45 MCQs will be equally divided, and all 15 MCQs will be from graphic designing, 15 from fine arts, and 15 MCQs will be from computer science. In SS History Cum Civics, 45 MCQs will be from history and from political science. 22 will be from history and 23 will be from political science. For a post of audit and account assistant, you have to study your complete course of BCom or BBA. These MCQs will come from all subjects of BCom and BBA. For statistical investigator, again, there will be 15 MCQs from statistics, 15 from mathematics, and 15 from economics. For assistant registrar post, the paper will be consist of multiple fields. In this paper, there will be 15 MCQs from agriculture field, 15 MCQs will be from commerce field, and 15 MCQs will be from economics. The paper for the inspector will be a totally versatile paper. In this paper, there will be no MCQs from any specific field, because the educational qualification is general. Therefore, the test will be totally general. This means that there would be 50% English and 50% general knowledge. The general knowledge will be also a mixture of Pakistan studies, Islamic studies, general knowledge, current affair, everyday science, etc. If you want the exact paper that how commission will announce the paper, then you must read a recently conducted paper by KPPSC for any general test, in which for such type of test in which they have just demanded BA or MA qualification. Watch these such type of test, and the MCQs will be same like that one, and the English portion will be almost related to the SST general English paper. Just watch the English portion of SST general test recently conducted. Almost the same MCQs will be repeated in this paper also. However, you can find other general type of paper conducted by KPPSC in 2026, like a jail superintendent or ziladar or etc. So the paper will be same like that, these papers. If you find this video helpful, then must like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much.